Hello and welcome back to the WallMantra show. For every festival, we Indians choose to plan everything well in advance so that we get everything right and perfect. So today we are going to talk about 3 simple and easy ways to make your home ready for this festive season. By adding some bright colors and shades, you can change the overall look of your living room. Like by adding some bright colored cushions and lush carpets can change the overall look of your hall and make it look super amazing. Festive season is the season of gatherings and celebrations. So don't forget to add some trendy and bright colored poofs and settees in your sitting area. Festivals are all about brightness and adding light in your life and home. So decorate your center table with elements like a vintage candle holder, scented candles, or a gorgeous setting of flowers. So guys, that's all for today. For more professional tips like these, stay tuned to the WallMantra show right here every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6 p.m. Take care. Bye.